Perfect Wishes presents Anti-Aging Herbs and Spices that will make you look younger. Aging is an inevitable biological process that every individual experiences as time progresses. The pursuit of youthful vitality and appearance has been a timeless endeavor, prompting people to explore various avenues, including diet, exercise, and skincare. One intriguing and natural approach to combating the signs of aging involves the utilization of herbs and spices. These potent botanicals have been revered for centuries for their potential to not only enhance the flavors of culinary dishes, but also bestow a range of health benefits, including anti-aging properties. This video delves into the world of anti-aging herbs and spices, exploring their potential mechanisms, popular options, and the scientific backing behind their effectiveness. These herbs and spices, discussed here, will not only make you look younger, but will also help you live longer as they contain potent antioxidants that help with longevity. Understanding the mechanisms of aging. Before delving into the specifics of anti-aging herbs and spices, it's important to comprehend the underlying mechanisms of aging. Aging is a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that lead to a gradual decline in bodily functions. Oxidative stress, inflammation, and the degradation of collagen are some of the primary contributors to the visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of skin elasticity. Additionally, the reduction of cellular repair and replication processes contributes to the overall decline in physiological functions. Harnessing the power of herbs and spices. Many herbs and spices possess compounds that have been linked to anti-aging effects. These natural substances often contain antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and bioactive compounds that have the potential to counteract the detrimental effects of aging mechanisms. By incorporating these herbs and spices into our diets, we can tap into their rejuvenating properties and potentially mitigate the signs of aging. Here are the prominent anti-aging herbs and spices. 1. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been suggested that curcumin can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in the aging process. Adding turmeric to your ingredient list is a sure way to harness its healing powers and benefit from its anti-aging properties. You can add turmeric to fried rice, stir-fries, and stews. 2. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger may help protect cells from oxidative damage and promote healthy skin. Ginger is a great all-round herb as it helps with weight loss, anti-aging, and longevity. Ginger can be added to most recipes easily. Watch our video about the health benefits of ginger to get all the gist about this versatile herb. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to have potential benefits in improving blood sugar control and reducing inflammation, both of which can contribute to aging. Sprinkle cinnamon over your morning oatmeal or porridge for a comforting and flavorful start to the day, or blend cinnamon into your smoothies for a hint of warmth and a unique flavor twist. Stir cinnamon into your coffee or tea to create a delightful spiced beverage. Remember that a little goes a long way with cinnamon, so start with a small amount and adjust to your taste preferences. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. It may also help improve circulation and heart health, which can indirectly impact the aging process. Add minced garlic to pasta sauces, whether it's a classic tomato sauce or a creamy Alfredo. It can also be added to stir-fries, soups, and stews. Garlic can be a key ingredient in enhancing the depth of flavor in soups and stews. Scatter minced garlic over pizza dough before adding toppings for a burst of flavor. Remember that garlic can become bitter if overcooked, so be mindful of the cooking time and temperature. It's a versatile ingredient that can elevate both savory and sweet dishes. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a herb known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may also have a positive impact on cognitive function, which can play a role in healthy aging. Mix rosemary into marinades for poultry, fish, or vegetables to enhance the flavor. Stir chopped rosemary into pasta sauces or sprinkle over pasta dishes for added depth. When using rosemary, remember that its flavor can be strong, so start with a smaller amount and adjust to your taste. It's a versatile herb that can elevate a wide range of savory dishes with its unique and memorable taste. 6. Green tea. While not exactly a spice, green tea contains catechins, which are potent antioxidants. These compounds have been associated with improved skin health and protection against UV-induced damage. A cup or two of green tea a day will do you a world of good, considering all the potent antioxidants and goodness it contains. Scientific evidence. Numerous studies have investigated the potential anti-aging effects of these herbs and spices. While the research is still evolving, there is a growing body of evidence supporting their beneficial properties. For instance, studies have demonstrated that curcumin in turmeric may help protect skin cells from UV-induced damage and improve skin elasticity. Similarly, the antioxidant compounds in green tea have been linked to improved skin health and protection against premature aging. Incorporating herbs and spices into your lifestyle. Incorporating these anti-aging herbs and spices into one's diet can be as simple as adding them to meals, beverages, or even taking them as supplements. However, it's important to note that while these herbs and spices offer potential benefits, they should not be seen as a magic solution. A holistic approach to anti-aging, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper skincare, and stress management, remains essential for achieving optimal results. In conclusion, as our understanding of aging deepens, we continue to uncover natural ways to mitigate its effects. Anti-aging herbs and spices offer a promising avenue for those seeking to maintain youthful vitality and appearance. While research is ongoing, the potential benefits of compounds found in these botanicals cannot be ignored. By incorporating these herbs and spices into our diets, we can harness their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to support our overall well-being and potentially enhance the journey of aging gracefully. Remember, embracing a holistic approach to healthy living is key to reaping the rewards of these natural treasures. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video.